I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of.
Bikin mie ya. Halo guys.
Top, atuh, ayo.
Halo teman-teman. Sekarang saya lagi bikin supit mie guys. Supit sederhana lah.
Right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Let go of the riddle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand.
Oke, kali ini saya sedang camp di Curug Cipurut yang bertempat di Wanayasa. Ini suasana malam. Pokoknya kali ini campnya luar biasa. Kita berlima nge-camp di sini hanya untuk menenangkan pikiran saja. Seperti itu. Bagaimana serunya? Lihat saja di vlog ini.
All I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more.